Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you unboxing the first look of a classic interpretation or version or iteration of a cult classic knife from Buck. Obviously everyone who is into knives knows what a Buck 110 is. So this is the Buck 110 Folding Hunter LT. Lots of information on the box, and the model number is 0110BKSLT, made in USA of course. And basically this is a modern lightweight version of the heavyweight Champion, which is the original 110 from Buck. Unfortunately I do not have currently one in my collection. That is for another video and for another time. But yeah, since this one has no pocket clip, they will include the really nice and sturdy but a little bit bulky pouch, so you can carry it on the belt. You can also scout carry it. You can all the options you can have. Beautiful pouch. Good to have one. Okay, let's open up this bad boy. So yeah, this is a full sized version of the 110, because probably if you are watching this video, you know, in the future of course, because I'm a little bit late to the game, there is also a slimline version which I have video on my channel, so you can check it out. And yeah, let me give you the specifications really quickly. So we have a over length of 21.8 centimeters, is 8.6 inches. The blade is 9.4 centimeters, 3.7 inches, with a cutting edge of 8.4 centimeters, 3.3 inches. The blade width is 2 centimeters or 0.8 inches. The thickness is 2.9 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The blade length is 12.4 centimeters or 4.9 inches, and the thickness is 1.5 centimeters or 0.6 inches. The blade is made out of Buck's 420 with a nice stone wash and a good heat treat. Yes, this is a older steel, but definitely at this price point you are getting a decent steel which is corrosion resistant and softer on side, so it will not chip or break on you. So you can definitely abuse these knives. For the handles, we have black polymer plastic or ABS plastic or injection nylon. There are a few names for it. Basically they are reinforced plastic, so they are really sturdy, and they also will not break. It has a nice checkered pattern on it to give you additional traction. Also simulates a bolster. These are pinned of course, so no adjustments possible. You have two pins right there. We have a backlock construction, and this probably rides on thin bronze washers. So the weight comes in 91.2 grams, that is 3.2 ounces. Like I mentioned, these are made in USA. So yes, I did had in the past a few 110s in my collection, but yeah, those were those really nice old school cowboy knives that had really nice heft to it. They were large, they were heavy. you definitely had to carry them on your belt in the pouch, because it will just weigh down your pocket and tear through at some time point. But yes, these iterations with these yeah, plastic handles will give you all the hallmarks, all the quality and the good ergonomics of the 110, but in a really nice lightweight package. So for me personally, this will be really a great knife for stash it in your tackle box, or maybe have it in your car, or maybe when you are going on vacation. You are getting something that it has MSRP of $40, but usually these are you can get them for under $25. So for that price point, they are definitely have a great value. They are cheap. Even if you are lose it, or somebody steals it from you, then you will definitely not cry about it and will be not sad that you lost a $200 or $300 knife. Yeah, so for those reasons I can highly recommend these ones. So let's see the sharpness of the box. So yeah, the 420 can get a really scary sharp edge to it. So these are really nicely sharp out of the buck factory. Okay, so let's see a few size comparisons. Like I mentioned, there is also a newer version, which is the, let me check my notes here to get it right, the Buck 110 Slim Hunter Select. So here it is. As you can see, the blade is a little bit thinner. That is just a millimeter, so 2 centimeters and 1.9 on the Slim Hunter Select. But you are getting 0.2 ounces weight reduction on these ones, and what I really appreciate is the pocket clip, of course. And as you can see there, they did put down the thickness to almost half. So the Hunter Slim Hunter Select is 1 centimeters, and is 1.5 on the LT, or the lightweight. It's probably lightweight. And since it is 2022, there is also another version of these lightweight ones made out of G10, and there is also a Pro version, which is which has micarta scales. Yes, I'm still trying to get one of those. There are two, one slim and one full-sized. So yeah, we will see what the future brings. So, but currently I have these two in my collection. And you can choose from which one you prefer. Just to compare the pricings, the Slim Select has a street price of around $31 and $25 on the lightweight. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons with different options. So let's bring out once again the Buck Sprint Pro, the Buck Vintage Avid. So these are, after, I don't know, 10 years, maybe even 12 years, are slowly discontinued. So you can probably get one of these Avid ones with different stabilized or diamond wood scales, but don't quote me on that, because they are getting rarer to get. But at some point there was also a plastic version. Here is the Mini, and there was also a G10 version, which was more like tactical iteration. Okay, so here is the Kaiser Baglighter 2. Here is a full-sized Saltbuster pattern from Schrade or Imperial. Here is the Ontario Red Model 1. Let's continue with the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Here's a full-size Reptilian. QSP Penguin and CVV Elementum. Here is the Rough Rider Peanut. $9.40 from Benchmade. Burger Plus Bonfire. Spyderco Endura. And let's close it down with the competitor, and that is the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, which is on the smaller side, but price-wise you are getting the same, but with a slimmer profile scale. Like I mentioned in my previous video, that this is a more comparison with the Slim Hunter than the lightweight Hunter, but it is up to you which one size you are preferred to own. Maybe you can get both for around $50. You can get them, probably both of them, and they will serve you really well. Okay, so let's close it down with the picture with the pouch. And if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but some other stuff regarding my hobbies. Sometimes something new, sometimes maybe something old, custom knives, and so on will be also featured in the future. And yeah, I'm preparing more interesting knife videos every week. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.